single ship was seized at the Straits of Hormuz and the market reacted instantly. But here's what most traders are missing. On the surface, this is what happens. It appears as yet another headline. It's just an headline. But trust me, in the financial world, it is not so. This is escalation. Whenever there's a news breakout like this, whenever there is a serious news like this, it affects the market. The market does not wait for what to happen. The market does not wait for everybody to die. No, the market moves on expectation. You see, these things that is going on is really affecting people's decision. The moment this news was dropped, oil spike, rush into USD, and volatility increases in the market. Do you know why this happened? Because the question is no longer, will there be tension? Of course, we know tension is everywhere. The US, the Iran, Dubai, and the rest of, even in Israel, there's a lot of stories going on around. So there's already tension. But the big question now is, how bad will this get? Everybody are on that. Are we getting to the World War III? Is this going to really happen? How will it affect my job and the rest of the thing? No, this is really affecting people's tension. And this is when traders make mistakes. They try to predict the direction of the market. You see, in situations like this, you cannot predict the direction of the market. Because, look, federal government are trying to control the economy. Retail or investors are trying to find ways going to better for them in order for them to put their money. And you're trying to predict them. No, you don't do that. Smart traders does the opposite. Instead of trying to predict the market, they follow the direction. They don't predict. So as a trader, this is not time to predict the market. Maybe it has been working for you in a normal market, but in this situation, predicting the market is going to put you in a very big problem. Because, pay attention, there are going to be 4 reasons. 1, the market is going to spike. During this time, the market is going to spike. It's going to retrace. The market that would have go up after you've plotted everything and finished, the market is supposed to go, is going to retrace for no reason. I mean, no reason. If you have experienced this, tell us in the comment section. For no reason, the market is going to retrace. And it's going to retrace and trap traders. That's the 3rd reason. It's going to be trapped everywhere. Yes. So, it's going to retrace, trap traders, and reverse. So, this is what you're going to see in the market. Now, this is liquidity environment. Because if this does not happen, the government cannot manage the economy. They need to put things together to manage the economy, at the same time managing the crisis. This is a time that if you as a trader want to become a profitable trader, you need to avoid tight stop loss. Please pay attention to this part. This is what you need to do. Avoid tight stop loss, because after you must have plotted your trade and finished, see everything is going to be, the market is going to return to the order block, to the demand zone, and you put everything with tight stop loss. Instead of the market moving, the market have come to test your entry point, enter the market, reverse, test your stop loss before you now move on the direction. So avoid tight stop loss. Expect manipulation in the market. You're going to have huge level of manipulation in the market this very moment. And trade confirmation is very, very important. Avoid guesswork. If you have been guessing your trade, this isn't the time for you to guess your trade. This is a time that you must get that A+ setup. Calm down and get your A+ setup before you execute a trade. There will be a days you will not have a trade confirmation. There will be days, yes, depending on your trading style, you might not get your entry as it used to be. That time is not safe because the water is muddy. The greatest asset you have in this industry is your capital. So protect it. Follow me for more, because trust me, I'll break down exactly how to catch this move if you truly want to become a profitable trader without becoming trapped in the market. So follow me, subscribe. If you haven't done so, subscribe to this channel, and see you in tomorrow's video.